So the common question which you get is derive ideal gas equation. Okay, so ideal gas equation जो कि PV equals to nRT, ये equation है, ये आया कैसे? We know that there are three forms of matter, three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. Okay, so when I talk about laws related to gases, I remember these three equations, these three laws. Okay, the first one is Boyle's law. What does Boyle's law say? Boyle's law बोलता है, Boyle's law says volume of a particular gas is inversely proportional to pressure if temperature is constant. Okay, ये Boyle's law बोलता है, right? Then there is Charles' law. What does Charles' law say? Volume of a particular gas is directly proportional to temperature of that gas if pressure is constant. Okay, if pressure is constant. And then there is Gay-Lussac's law, which states pressure is directly proportional to temperature of a gas if volume is constant. ठीक है? So तीनों लॉज में कॉमन क्या है? तीनों लॉज में ये कॉमन है कि जो पैरामीटर्स हमने सिलेक्ट किए वो तीनों के लिए सेम है. तीनों लॉज में प्रेशर, वॉल्यूम एंड टेम्परेचर आर दी कॉमन पैरामीटर्स. सो इससे हम लोग क्या कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं? फर्स्ट थिंग, इससे हम लोग ये कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं कि प्रेशर, वॉल्यूम एंड टेम्परेचर, pressure, volume and temperature, these are basic parameters for any gas. These are basic parameters for any gas. Now we need to derive ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation is made by combining these three equations. So if we combine these three equations, so I'm writing by combining the three gas laws. By combining the three gas laws, what we get is pressure into volume is directly proportional to temperature for any condition. Pressure into volume is directly proportional to temperature. Okay, so this forms the basis for your ideal gas equation. अभी इसको हम लोग लिख कैसे सकते हैं? For example, you are having two gases. For gas 1 and gas 2, you can say that, इसे भी conclude करने के लिए PV divided by T is equals to constant आप समझ के चल सकते हो. You will get some constant, right? Pressure into volume divided by temperature, you will get some volume. So for gas 1 and gas 2, it will be P1 V1 upon T1 is equals to P2 V2 upon T2. Got it? So ये होगा आपका पहला equation. This is your first equation. Now, how will we get PV equals to nRT? So we can also use ideal gas का relation for n number of moles. For n number of moles. तो इसको लिखेंगे कैसे? For n number of moles, the equation will be, or the law will be, PV is directly proportional to NT. Okay, so let R is equals to 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin it is. So joule per mole Kelvin, ये इसका proportionality constant है, constant of proportionality. ठीक है? So अगर मुझे constant of proportionality put in करना है, so my equation will now become PV is equals to nRT. We need to write about n as well, right? ये number of moles कहाँ से आया, इसके बारे में भी लिखना पड़ेगा. So let's write about number of moles now. So this is your ideal gas equation which we have got now. So what is n? यहाँ पे n क्या है? n is nothing but mass of gas available, capital M ले लो इसको, divided by molar mass. Now what does molar mass mean? Molar mass means mass of gas for 1 mole of gas, 1 mole molecules. This is m naught. which can be written as capital N. Capital N मतलब molecules of gas divided by Na. Na का मतलब होता है Avogadro's number. So finally we are at Avogadro's number now. Avogadro's number क्या है? This is Avogadro's number. So there was a scientist called Amedeo Avogadro. Okay, so that fellow, what he did was he stated a certain constant. So Avogadro number is a constant which states कि एक mole gas अगर कोई बोलता है, 1 mole of gas if someone says, it means that 1 mole of gas will contain 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Okay, 10 to the power 23 molecules. ये Avogadro's number है. Okay, और n तो आपका है molecules of gas for the given mass. Molecules of gas for the given mass. So n जो है आपका that is equal to capital N divided by Avogadro's number. Fine. अगर मुझे इसको बोल्ट्जमैन कांस्टेंट के फॉर्म में लिखना है ना, व्हाट इज बोल्ट्जमैन्स कांस्टेंट, वो भी देखेंगे हम लोग. So what is Boltzmann constant? I can write n is equal to capital N divided by Na, and I can substitute this thing in the ideal gas equation. So if I substitute n capital N divided by Na in place of small n, the equation will change to PV is equals to capital N R divided by Na T, right? So यहाँ पे बोल्ट्जमैन कांस्टेंट आता है ना. व्हाट इज बोल्ट्जमैन कांस्टेंट? ये कांस्टेंट है जो कि एक साइंटिस्ट बोल्ट्जमैन ने निकाला था. ये हर एक गैस के लिए कांस्टेंट वैल्यू रहती है जो अलग रहेगी. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय Kb which is actually equal to R divided by Na. If you divide R, which is constant of proportionality over here for ideal gas, for any gas, it is 8.314 divided by Avogadro's number, that will give you Kb. Okay, so ये चीज हमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी पड़ेगी. So that will be PV is equals to N capital N Kb T. Okay, so this is with Boltzmann constant. So ये आपका पूरा equation ready है. One more thing you need to remember that all real gases and all ideal gases, they strictly follow this rule of PV is equals to nRT. Ideal gas equation is followed by both real and ideal gases for practical purposes. Okay, so make sure you note it down. Okay, ये note कर लो.